Hey everyone, welcome back to our Etsy Beginners course. In today's lesson, we're diving into three key elements that can make your shop stand out: your logo, shop banner, and shop description. These components are crucial for establishing your brand identity and making a great first impression on potential customers. So let's get started. Visit canva.com to create your designs. I recommend Canva for designing your logo and shop banner because it provides pre-made templates that can be used directly, saving you lots of time and making the work easier. First, let's start designing the logo. Navigate to the Create a Design button located at the top right. Now, search for logo and click on it. The Canva panel will open. Name your document first. On the left side, you'll see pre-made logo templates. Let's select one for our Etsy shop. Let's go for this template. It has two styles, and I'll choose the second one. Now I will edit this template. Delete the background and increase its size. Next, rename the store name. I will change this text to the art store. My store name is Digi and Print Store, so I need to add an N here. I will use the text heading tool to write it. This font doesn't look good, so I will replace it. Let's use this font. Adjust it properly. That looks better now. Next, let's change the color of the logo. First, I will change the background color to beige. I'm using a hex code for accuracy. After that, I will change the text color using the same method, keeping it brown. Lastly, change the other text colors as well. My Etsy shop logo is complete. It was finished very easily in just a few clicks and steps. Once your design is completed, you can download it. To download it, go to the File menu at the top left corner, then choose Download. Select the format for downloading your file and click Download. Your file will successfully download. Now, let's design the shop banner. To do this, navigate to the File menu and select Create a Design. Enter your banner size. The Canva editor panel will open. Rename the document. Here at left side, you'll see Etsy shop banner pre-made templates. I need template for print and wall art, so I will search for wall art shop banner. Let's select the best one. I will go for this one. Now, let's edit this template. Replace these art with your own. To replace it, upload your design from here. I have already uploaded my designs, so I will add them. Place them in the frame. Change the others in the same way. Now, add the image to this side. Make sure the image is positioned correctly. This image is visible behind our design, which is ruining it. Let's fix this. Select the image, go to Edit Image, and then select the Magic Eraser tool. Increase the brush size to select the part you want to delete. Once selected, click on Erase. It's done. The image looks perfect now. Place your image here. It looks perfect now. Next, let's change the text. I will replace this text with my store name. Format the text properly. Here, I will write the top points about my shop. This font doesn't look good, so let's change it to the Montserrat font and adjust it properly. Next, let's change the font colors. I will make this font brown. Change the other text colors as well. This font looks a bit thin, so let's make it bold. Lastly, I will write about the shop offer. I'm writing a random offer just to demonstrate. You can write the offer you want to provide to your customers. The shop banner design is also complete. It's so easy and simple. Download your banner. Now let's move to Etsy and upload them. Click on Edit Shop to upload the logo and banner. Next, click on the pencil icon to add the shop banner. You can also change the layout of the shop banner. You have the option to select a big banner, mini banner, or none. I will go for the big banner. Upload your banner from here and save it. After that, let's add the shop logo. Click here to add the logo and choose your file. Next, click on Looks Good. Click on View Shop to see how it looks. Our shop logo and banner are successfully added. Next, you have the option to add a shop announcement. Here, you can update your announcement to alert shoppers to important information, like a sale, or if you are away on holiday. For example, you can update about a Black Friday sale or holiday sale. It's done. Next, you have the listings option. All your listings will appear here. You can also add featured listings. Moving on to adding videos and photos about the shop, you can add up to 5 videos and 5 photos to show shoppers behind the scenes of your work and your office tour. Next is the option to add a headline and tell a story about your store. You can write something like this. This is the store headline. A little text about the shop. A little bit about our journey and design. Our mission and why to choose us. I will provide this template in the resources. Just use the format and change the text according to your shop. Save this. This part is also done. Next, you have the option to add a link for your website and social media profiles. Just select them and add the link. Next, you have the option to add a shop member bio. Here, write about yourself. Introduce who you are, your shop, and what you sell. Show your experience and expertise. Next, you have shop policies. If you want, you can edit them from here. Then, the payment option. Next, it shows details about returns and exchanges. We will learn about policies in detail in the next lesson. The last option is adding facts. You can write facts to answer common questions about your product. And that's it. You successfully added a logo, shop banner, and shop description to your Etsy shop. Remember, these elements are essential in creating a cohesive and professional look for your store, which can attract and retain customers. Take your time to craft each element carefully, and don't be afraid to update them as your brand evolves.